Going over some basic sixes. Basic six, it's in a slot. Inside turn and side pass. It is just walk, walk, triple step, but unlike an East Coast swing, Jaghvi can either do a rock step or a walk forward depending on what she's being led into. Since I'm leading her forward, she walks. Walk, walk, triple step, change hands. Elbows bent. I try to avoid this. Elbows bent. Yeah, oh, hi, do you? Walk, walk, triple step. Along the slot, she's doing walk, walk, triple step, triple back. Walk, walk, triple step, back. I'm doing rock step, triple step. Now I walk forward. Rock step, triple step. So this is the inside turn. Side pass. You can also do an inside turn by itself. This is the whip. Notice I always look over my right shoulder when I send Jaghvi out on 6, not 5, on 6. Here's the rhythm circle, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And now we're just out of that. And of course that's a side pass. That's an inside turn and another side pass. Well, Jaghvi and I are dancing a little bit without music right now. Late August, right here at Slim Fitness, a Dean Collins Smooth Style Lindy Hop workshop. I'm posting this to the page anyway. And Collegiate Shag. And you might have seen little posts with my good friend Shan and I doing some shag. Jaghvi, you want to do some Collegiate Shag next time? Sure. Okay. And I'm going to get out of this with a quick stop with Jaghvi. Jaghvi's very good at doing that. Excellent. Good work. See you next time.